Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into Harbor Freight Ratchets. If you guys haven't checked it out, I've done a Harbor Freight screwdriver video and a Harbor Freight plier video. So if you haven't checked those out and you're interested, please go back, check it out. I'm sure it'll be linked somewhere in this video, up in one of these corners or something. And let's get into today's video, which is ratchets. Okay, so the first one you're going to see is the Pittsburgh Pro Quick Release Ratchet. That thing is fat. I mean, super fat. If you're going to Harbor Freight for something that cheap, you might as well just run to Walmart and just get a set, a whole socket set, or Harbor Freight, get a whole socket set. Because if you're going there just for that ratchet, get a different ratchet. That thing is fat. Okay, moving on, the Roto Head, which ranges from $12 to $20. I really like Roto Head ratchets. I don't use them a whole lot, but when I do need them, they're very handy. I have the gear wrench ones, but the Pittsburgh ones seem to be of equal quality. So I'm sure anybody would be fairly happy with those. Next up, you actually have the locking indexable ratchets. Seemed pretty cool. I've never personally needed one or used one, but it seems really cool. Probably one of those things, kind of like the pass-through set and low-profile socket set that I bought, thinking that it was a really cool idea, thinking that I would use them pretty often, but I could use them, but I never actually needed them. But that's just me. That other people could have many uses for them. So the locking indexable ratchets are going to be $17 and $19. Now here's the catch. Most of the Harbor Freight ratchets are 72 tooth. This one is going to be 46 teeth, so it is a lower tooth count ratchet. The extendable ratchet, it seems like one of those gimmicky ratchets, but I've seen them a lot in other YouTube videos, and it seems like people are pretty happy with them. I don't think I personally would buy them. I have multiple length ratchets. I'm perfectly happy with just switching out to whichever one I need. But if you're trying to save money and you just want maybe one or two ratchets and have multiple lengths, that's probably your best way to go. That is going to be $13 and $19, so not too bad on the price either. Then you have all the normal 72 tooth comfort grip ratchets and the flex head ratchets and all of that, which are going to average on the price range of $14 to $30, depending, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, flex head, all of that. But overall, I have had a few of their comfort grip ratchets, and I really liked them. One of the heads got a little floppy on one, but it wasn't terrible, and you can always warranty them out. All of them are lifetime warranty, so keep that in mind. Next up, you have the composite ratchets. I've never personally had a use for them. To me, that's more for people doing body work and stuff where you don't want to be dinging anything up, or maybe you work on a lot of hybrids. Well, there you should be using insulated, but the composite is better for not striking a spark or denting a body as bad as metal on metal, stuff like that. I've never had a use for them, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. And that is going to range from $8 to $20. Then next up, you're going to see the Pittsburgh breaker bar, $10 to $20. Very good. Very good. I'm sure all of you guys have seen the 1/2 inch breaker bar with the comfort grip. Really good from Pittsburgh. Really, really good price. $20. Can't beat it. It competes up there with the professional ones. Yes, it might bow a little bit more, but it's going to get the job done just like the other ones. Once again, break it, get another one for free. But then you see the Icon, which is nice. It's very nice, and it's a little bit longer. I mean, I think you get an extra inch or so. But when you really take a look at it, you get that extra inch. You get a little bit beefier bolt in the head, in the fork, and the fork and shaft is just a hair thicker. Well, you're going to pay $50 for that breaker bar. That you can buy 2.5 of the Pittsburgh breaker bars, and you're getting basically the exact same thing. Really, I don't think they did enough with the Icon breaker bar in order, to justify paying $50 for it. I don't think anybody should buy the $50 Icon breaker bar, personally. I think if you're going to buy one from Harbor Freight, get the Pittsburgh one. It's less than half the price, and it's going to do the job. I don't think anybody should buy the Icon. Let me know your guys' thoughts. That's just my thought, and I'm sure a lot of people agree with me. Other than that, that's basically it. As far as the Harbor Freight Ratchets, I went over the ratchets and the breaker bars. And overall, I think Harbor Freight has a really good selection of ratchets. I think they've came a long ways in the last few years, and I know a lot of people that are extremely happy with them. And once again, you got that warranty, and you don't hear that often about people having an issue warrantying something. When you warranty something they're going to give you the same tool, or if it's been discontinued, it'll be of equal value, or the most similar tool that they can give you. So that's my thought on the Harbor Freight ratchets. Overall, I think they're a decent ratchet for a really good price. So let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys haven't, please hit that thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys next time.